Every home has mold. Normally, this isn't a problem, but common occurrences may promote rapid colonization. Let's say you have a crawl space with too much humidity or a pipe in your bathroom leaks. Mold in the air immediately absorbs the water and begins rapid colonization. These colonies, like weeds in a garden, produce spores exponentially, releasing them into the home to find water or elevated humidity and start new colonies. These microscopic spores are airborne and quickly spread throughout the home, settling into walls, carpets, furniture, clothes, and on you. When they find moisture, the spores repeat the cycle. Once present, mold doesn't die on its own. Even if moisture issues are resolved, it has to be properly treated. This is why we recommend treatment of the entire environment. We'll make sure that your home is returned to a safe and healthy condition.